Copilot, your AI pair programmer, is better at some things than you are as a developer, probably no matter how long you've been coding. And those things are things that require a lot of detail, or they're patterns, or they're things that you have forgotten. So let me give you a couple examples of that. For instance, regex is something that not very many people know how to write well, okay? Many people, most people will either Google it or they'll go to some regex tool. It's hard. None of us like to use regex. Copilot is very good at writing regex. It is no problem for Copilot to translate your request into regex. And you can try this. You can ask it for a regex that validates a date of a certain format, and it will spit that out no problem. Another great example of this is cron jobs. Cron jobs are how you schedule tasks on Linux-based systems, and there's sort of this cryptic pattern formula that you have to write. If you're doing something simple, it's not hard, but if you want to run every second Tuesday at 5 p.m., except for, the first Tuesday or whatever your weird rule is, that one doesn't make sense. Copilot can do that, right? So it's really good at doing those kinds of things. So if you ever get to those things, ask Copilot to do it for you. It's a snap. Another place where it's really good is when remembering details. So if you're in CSS and you're like, I can't remember the property for this, you can just ask Copilot. For instance, you could say, give me a subtle drop shadow, right? And it knows the box shadow property to do that, so you don't have to remember that. You can also ask it why elements aren't behaving correctly to positioning, right? If you have laid out something with CSS that's not behaving correctly, ask Copilot. Again, it knows the details of CSS that you've long forgotten or never learned. Those are the kinds of things that AI is better at than humans.